fit in the tray of the cart, and you can push them right up against the edge and just use one piece of tape. This one is like from yesterday, it's working fine. Now, if you roll this at 30 meters per second, then the air resistance will push this around. But if you just roll it at a nice slow speed, it'll work great. And the way to get nice slow speeds is use these little wooden blocks under the track. So if you take a track, put one wooden block under it to create a ramp, and then roll the cart. This is all the more speed you need. Okay, and if you set it up like this, what you'll find is you can just stop the cart from rolling with your hand. Even if you like get distracted and it goes off the edge of the cart, you'll still have plenty of time to grab it. If you're nervous about it, you can grab a book or two from the shelf and put it at the bottom of the ramp, and then the cart will hit the books and stop. The problem with the flags is, once you have the flags on there, you can't put them upside down on the table. But if you put them on the table with the flag hanging off the end, then it won't go anywhere. This is a reasonably safe position for the cart. So when the cart is on the table, or it's on the track, because you're measuring stuff about it, it should be on its wheels. Otherwise, at the edge of the table, like this, upside down. And to make your tests, you're going to have to do things like sometimes you're going to have to roll the cart toward the sensor, and then it'll turn around and roll the other way. And you're going to have to relocate the sensor. Sometimes the sensor will be pointing one way, sometimes it'll be pointing the other, sometimes the sensor will be at the top of the ramp, and sometimes it'll be at the bottom of the ramp. And the idea is to look at the motion graphs that are created under various conditions. This is all going to be constant acceleration. The acceleration of your cart isn't going to change, which means that the motion graphs we're seeing should look really similar to the motion graphs that you see in the simulation, which is also constant acceleration. You won't know what the acceleration is, or what the speeds or positions are necessarily, but you'll know that the acceleration is constant. So when you make your graphs, you're not necessarily going to have numbers on them. I don't have numbers here. I just have predictions of the shape, right? And I know whether things are going to start positive or negative and where they're going to go from there, okay? So it's about 9:05. Now's a great time for a break. And then when you come back, you have a half an hour to work on this. I am gonna let you work more on this on Monday, so it's not due today, but get as far as you can, and hopefully you start to see some patterns and connections. So let me know if you have any questions.